how to make an account on YouTube. Now, you do not make a YouTube account because YouTube comes from Google. So what you do is you actually make a Google account. That is one case. But if you're talking about YouTube channel and aside from account, then that is a completely different scenario. Now in this video, we're only going to cover how to actually create a YouTube account, aka our Google account, right? So simply open up your browser, go to youtube.com. Once you go to youtube.com, tap on the U icon, you can see sign in, tap the sign in button. Now it'll ask you to log in if you have your Google or your YouTube account, but since we don't, tap on the create account button, select whatever reason that you're trying to create for. Select your first name and your last name, tap on the next option. Choose your birth month, birthday, as well as also the birth year, and make sure that you're at least over 18 years of age. Then select your gender. Once done, tap the next option. Now you can choose to use your existing email or you can choose to get a new Gmail address instead. So here you can simply go ahead and then type in the new address that you wish to create your Gmail account with, then tap on next. Once done, finally you have to simply create your password. So type in the password, confirm the password and tap on next. Once done, your YouTube account aka your Google account will be successfully created. This way you will be able to make an account on YouTube. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.